What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. We have been seeing lots of requests regarding Oneplus Stock Dialer on Oneplus 9 series because most users don't prefer Google Dialer and Google Messaging app. In this video, we'll show you how can you get Oneplus Stock Dialer on those devices which are running Google Dialer by default. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. We tested out multiple applications and finally we got one that works perfectly fine on my Oneplus 9 running OxygenOS12. So let me show you the software information. If I go to About section, here you can see my device is running OxygenOS12. By default, we get Google Dialer and Google Messaging app starting from OnePlus 8T series. Previously, we made some videos in which we showed you guys how to install Oneplus Stock Dialer on OxygenOS 11. But there are lots of changes to be seen after OxygenOS 12 update, and there are some people on the internet who just download the applications and give their own credit. So it's a humble request, if you are taking down the content or the applications from our website, make sure to add a backlink. We have seen many times few websites take the content including thumbnails and later add their trademarks on the thumbnails. So that's a pretty bad practice. If you guys want to take down the content, make sure to add the backlinks. And also guys, thank you so much for showing love and support on a previous video. We successfully hit the like target of 400 likes. Let's keep the same like target on this video too. And also we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, this is a simple APK file. Download link can be found in the description below. You just have to download two APK files. And these are those two files. One is the phone APK and the second one is the contact APK. Normally tapping on the application will give you a pop-up to install. Manually install both these applications and almost all the features are working fine on this Oneplus Stock Dialer app. The only drawback what you're gonna see, whenever you make a call, Google Dialer will pop up. In that case, what you have to do is, soon you make a call and as you can see here, Google Dialer popped up, just swipe back and you'll have Oneplus Stock Dialer. From where you can record the calls, you have all other options like video calling, taking notes, putting the call on hold and many more. I also tried disabling Google application, but soon I disabled Google Dialer using ADB, and when I made a call using Oneplus Stock Dialer, I get this pop-up like call not sent. But in the background, calling do happen, though you won't be able to see dialer on the screen. You need to keep few things in mind. Soon you install the APK, just go to settings, app management, default apps, and from here you need to select the contact app which you have installed instead of Google Stock Dialer. Make this application as a default app in the system. And all the recordings can be found here. Just tapping on it, here you can see we have all the recordings. And now let's give a call and see whether you get to see that pre-announcement of call recording. Am I audible?
Yes.
Any distortions in the audio call?
No.
And also, did you hear the announcement of call recording?
No.
Okay, thank you. So once the call is completed, you'll be able to see all the recordings. And here we have the recording which we recently did.
Am I audible? Yes.
So there are no issues in recording calls and there is no pre-announcement done while recording the call, which usually happens with the Google Dialer. I also tried out Messaging app. Messaging app do work fine, but the only drawback here with the Messaging app, you won't be able to send the SMS. So let me show you an example here. If I try to send a message, it says no SIM card inserted, unable to send message, but you'll get the notifications of all the messages. So this is only the version which is working currently. Let me show you the app version. The app version is 6.4.5. Both the apps can be found in the description below. Just manually install them and you'll be good to go. And also remember, if you're facing any kind of issues, first set the application as default app and later reboot your system. And here you can see we can also access all the contacts and no issues in editing contacts too. And Dialer also supports dark mode. So let's turn on dark mode. And there we go. Dialer also adapts to dark theme. So guys, this is only one application of Oneplus Stock Dialer which is working on OxygenOS 12. And this application, I don't think it will work on OxygenOS 11, but you guys can try it out on your OnePlus 8 or 9 series, which by default comes with Google Dialer. And I hope this application will solve most of the issues which you guys were facing, like the pre-announcement of call recording, and some users don't even prefer Google Dialer. So as of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.